Hello dear partners. First of all, let me thank you for joining our project. I really hope that we are going to have a great time working together and that we can make a successful project. For those who are new to eTwinning, I'm recording this short video to help them get started. First that you need to do after logging into your eTwinning live page is to go on your project's page. This page shows you all the projects that you are a member of. Go down to your list of projects and find the project that you want to look through. That in this case it's the Let's Connect Our Worlds. Click on the project and a projects page will be open. In this page you can find the description of the project, the members of the project, and shared pictures. You should click Go to Twinspace. A new page called Twinspace opens. What is a Twinspace? A Twinspace is a private space which is used by all the project partners to share their examples of good practice, their picture, their videos, and other examples of their work. First, you will find a list of pages: home, pages, material, forums, live, members. The pages are also available in this section. You usually have a list of all activities plus some useful links like useful information about the project evaluation, dissemination, and so on. Beneath it, it's the teacher's bulletin. It is the private space of every teacher included. Here we type short messages which we post and other teachers can see it. Note that this section is not available for students, but only teachers. This is the project journal. The project journal is used to share our examples. You just click and you can add from material sections. For example, you can write notes, you can share your results, or you can just add pictures or videos. Twinspace can also be used for communication. Here we've got the Twinspace chat, plus we also have got the forum sections in which we can create threads for ourselves to discuss something or for our students. We also have the live section in which we can create eTwinning live events like audio conferences or video conferences. We also have the material sections where we add materials that are going to be presented to our partners. We can add materials under 3 topics: images, videos, or files. Whichever of these is used, we need to create, for example, a folder with the name of our school. Or in the file section, there is a folder for each activity. For example, the Who Am I activity, here we've got plans which are going to be used for this activity. We also got the members section in which we can see all the included teachers and students plus visitors. When we want to add a new member, we click on the Invite Members. We select the desired category: teachers, pupils, or visitors. Visitors can be parents who want to have an insight in the project or any other member. When we invite pupils, we click on the Pupils section. A new page opens in which we should write the first and the last name of the student. For example, when we click on the Verify, it gives us a unique username and our task is to write the password. You also have to note that we are able to control every single action of our students. Now, if you need any help, you can always write a thread in the forum section, contact me or any other member with more experience on the members chat, or write me a message in eTwinning Live or via my email. Thank you for watching, and let's hope that we are going to make a successful project.